A US judge is considering publicly releasing a redacted version of the search warrant used during an FBI raid of former US President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence. Joining me live from Washington, D.C. is CNN reporter Jessica Schneider. Jessica, thanks for joining us. How likely is it that we are going to know what exactly Donald Trump had at Mar-a-Lago?
Well, it's likely that we're going to get some information from this affidavit. And of course, the affidavit is what provided the underlying basis for the search warrant that allowed the federal agents to go in and search Mar-a-Lago, ultimately taking away those 11 sets of classified documents. The judge in that court hearing today said he didn't see any reason to continue to keep all of the affidavit under seal. The problem is, although he may release some of it, we probably won't get the juicy details. And that's because the Justice Department here, they're saying that this is a very lengthy and detailed affidavit. And they're warning the judge here that if it all gets released, or even if a substantial portion of it gets released, it could not only endanger their ongoing criminal investigation, but they say it could also endanger the witnesses they've talked to. They said that there's such identifying information in this affidavit about what these witnesses have told them as to the classified documents that still remained at Mar-a-Lago, that if it gets released, those witnesses potentially could be in danger. They also say the federal agents who are conducting this investigation could be in danger. So what the judge has said here is he said, look, I want to make some of this affidavit public. The public deserves to know what has gone on here, especially because this investigation has just become so explosive. So what the judge has ordered is telling the Justice Department, look, you have 1 week to go through and give me your proposed redactions, things you want to keep out of the public view from this affidavit. Also tell me why you need to keep a lot of this secret. Give me even more reasoning. And then what's going to happen is the Justice Department's going to come back to the judge in 1 week, and then they may also meet for confidential discussions. But the judge is going to really work here to get at least some information out into the public. But it does seem at this point that it will not be the juicy details, because those are the details the DOJ just says they cannot release. They say it would just really jeopardize what's really an ongoing investigation here. I mean, typically, these affidavits don't ever get released until somebody is actually charged. So the fact that some outlets, the media outlets in particular, want this release now is actually pretty unprecedented. But we might see something in about a week or more.
Jessica Schneider, live from Washington, D.C. Thank you.